Hello, my name is Ehsan Ul Haq. Name of the project is Sleepers of the Cave. It's a collaborative project between two artists, myself and Iqra Tanveer. Our project majorly relates with this idea of Sleepers of the Cave that is also mentioned as Ashab al-Kahf in chapter 18 in Quran. It is about a few men, a number of men, go into a moment of in-between of wakefulness and sleep, and they're lying somewhere in the state where it is not fully defined. And in that state, there are lots of miracles that happen. Iqra and I, we've been researching over this concept of Sleepers of the Cave for some time now. I think the story also very beautifully reflects the idea of temporality of life. It also reflects very beautifully about the time itself, questions the idea of time itself. We slowly started developing the sketches, it transformed, it changed. We reflected on the story in details, for example, the number of people, and that's what we also tried to explore in the number of sculptures we have, that you cannot exactly count them. I think at one point we thought that we would work with the sculptures that are in a way disintegrating, or somehow they have gone through an element of long time. And that is why you see these forms that are cracked. There are various materials. I think I would like to start with the basic materials of life, let's say. Starting with the water. It generates life in clay, and that is the second material that we use. Clay has a very significant conceptual connotations. The clay disintegrates and becomes dust, just like the body disintegrates. I think it's a privilege that through this concept of Sleepers of the Cave, that is a part of Quran, that we try to tap the same spirituality and purity of those people who took refuge in the cave and stayed there for a very long time, defying the odds, defying the materiality of life, and achieved that purity while being in that cave.